In this video, we're going to use Gauss-Jordan elimination to solve a system of linear equations. It says given 2a plus 2b equal -2 and 12a plus 14b equal 8, use Gaussian elimination to solve the system. So we want to first write this as an augmented matrix. We got a and b in here. So we're going to write this as a11, b12, c13, where c is the constant. And then we have A21, B22, and C23, where C is also the other constant. So we're going to take these two equations and we're going to write them in this form. These are the leading coefficients for A, B, and C. So we got, in our top equation, we'll have 2, 2, and -2 there. This is the A column, the B column, and the constant column. So we get 2, 2, and -2. And then on the bottom, we're going to get 12, 14, and 8. Now, I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to take these two equations and I'm going to try to get this to be the identity matrix. So I want it to be 1, 0, 0, 1 on the left side, and then my constants to still be written out to the right. This will allow me to know that A is equal to some number and B is equal to some other number. So I want to make this matrix on the left side. How am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to basically cancel some variables by using elimination. So I'm going to start by dividing the top equation by 2. And I'm going to divide the bottom equation by 2 as well. And that will give us 1, 1, -1. 6, 7, 4. And then I'm going to multiply the top equation by -6. And that will give us -6, -6, +6, and then 6, 7, and 4. And then I'm going to add the top row. So row 2 is going to equal row 1 plus row 2. I'm going to add the top row to the second row, and that's going to give us 0, 1, 10. And then I'll still have -6, -6, and 6 on top. Now I'm getting closer. I got the 0 in the bottom left corner. I need to get the 0 in the top right corner. To do that, I'm going to multiply this -6 to the bottom equation. Actually, not -6, +6 to the second row. And that will give us -6, -6, 6. And that would be 0, 6, 60. And then I'm going to add the bottom row to the top row. So I'm going to say row 1 is equal to row 2 plus row 1. When you add up, I get -6, 0, and 66. And on the bottom, I have 0, 6, and 60 still. Now all I have to do is get 1s in the top left and the bottom right corner. To do that, I'm going to just take row 1 and divide it by -6, and row 2 and divide it by 6. And that'll give me 1, 0, -11. And then this will be 0, 1, and 10. Now remember, this is the A column, this is the B column, so A is going to equal -11, and B will equal 10. So my coordinate would be a -11, 10 for my solution.